Hey cool people, so welcome to my YouTube channel. This is something I haven't done in a while, so here is my first unboxing on YouTube. So the very first one that we're going to be doing is a kit from AIRBJÖRN. Now basically they're kind of planning ahead for you to be taken off on a trip and just preparing yourself a toiletry kit. So here is the whole stock of what you're getting. So first we're going to get the Triumphant Disaster Gameface face cream. Then you're getting the AIRBJÖRN toothbrush. What is next? We're going to get the awesome MARVIS toothpaste. Now everything is in a travel size. Now we're going to get the eye repair from KIEHL'. What is next? Oh, this is the facial cleaner from Anthony, deodorant from Baxter. So as you can see, pretty nice brands. Oh, this is actually a very nice thing. These are cotton swabs, so in a perfect travel size. It's always something you need. One of my personal favorite brand, Crown Shaving and their shaving cream. Then we move on to Imperial and a classic hair pomade. I've tried Imperial in the past. It's a very nice product, very universal. Here this is a floss. It's a mint-based floss. There we go, sorry. And okay, this is a bit of a nice surprise from Truefitt and Hill, and it's a very light safety razor, or classic razor. Okay, and some of the final touch, the Turbo Wash from Jack Black. This is something I've never seen before, but it looks very exciting. The Super Rinse Mouthwash. Okay, this is a beautiful touch. This is a little stick of a fragrance from Persons of Interest called Supernova. So, in so many words, here is your travel kit of pretty much absolutely everything you're going to need on a trip, ready to rock for you. So there you have it. Awesome unboxing. Cheers.